So, you know those incredible Squarespace design tools you love? They're fantastic. But today, we're going to fix the single most frustrating gap in your sales funnel, the mobile checkout experience.
You've literally agonized over perfect layouts and fonts, right? It looks absolutely gorgeous on your laptop. So, why on earth are mobile customers abruptly abandoning their carts at the very last second?
Well, here's the painful irony. Squarespace gives you massive control for a flawless desktop view. But mobile browsers, yeah, they have their own clunky, conversion-killing ideas about how things should work.
Okay, let's dive into this. A standard mobile browser just eats up screen space and feels super cluttered. But a dedicated native app? It provides a beautifully full-screen, distraction-free environment focused entirely on your products.
These little friction points quietly ruin your checkout flow. Think about it. Address bars eat up precious space. An accidental back button tap kicks them out entirely, and pop-up keyboards cover forms right as they're trying to pay.
Now, what's really interesting here is how the math breaks down. Say you get 5,000 visitors with an $80 average order. Just shifting from a standard 2% browser checkout rate to a 5% dedicated app checkout rate changes absolutely everything.
That tiny percentage shift, it translates to $7,200. That's literally the estimated monthly revenue slipping through the cracks right now if you don't have a dedicated app.
Section 1. Meet AppOfWeb, the solution.
Now, you might be wondering, will my beautiful design actually survive the jump? And honestly, it's a totally valid fear. Generic app tools notoriously mangle block-based designs and turn gorgeous stores into a stripped-down mess.
And this brilliantly illustrates how AppOfWeb solves it. They guarantee pixel-perfect preservation. Engineered specifically for Squarespace, it ensures your blocks, typography, and animations stay strictly intact on every single screen.
Plus, you unlock some seriously cool native upgrades. We're talking custom app icons and splash screens, bottom tabs for effortless navigation, pull to refresh for flash sales, and smooth pinch to zoom for your product images.
And the best part? Managing it takes literally zero extra effort because of real-time auto-syncing. You just update a price or add a product in your regular Squarespace panel, and boom, it instantly syncs to the app.
Also, just think about a promotional email getting completely buried in a crowded inbox. Now contrast that with a push notification landing directly on a customer's lock screen. It's a real game changer for a flash sale.
And there are absolutely zero tech hurdles for you. As an add-on, AppOfWeb fully handles the entire Apple App Store and Google Play publishing process. You won't even have to look at a complex developer account.
Section 2. Step-by-step app conversion. It's incredibly fast. Visit AppOfWeb.com. Submit your URL, make your branding choices, review the preview, publish, and share. The only technical task required from you? Literally just pasting your store's URL. That's the whole shebang.
You also get a fantastic safety net, unlimited revisions until you're 100% happy. Absolutely nothing goes live to the app stores until you review it and confirm it matches your meticulous Squarespace build perfectly.
So the crucial point here is that nothing gets rebuilt and no products are moved. Your existing store stays exactly where it is. You just gain a powerful mobile presence right alongside your desktop site.
So, what does this all mean for you? Are you ready to give your beautiful store a home on every phone? Stop losing sales to browser friction. Visit appofweb.com and convert your website to mobile app today.